Hello there, you're welcome to Debbie's fashion training, online training. Okay, so today we'll be looking at how to cut necklines, neck shapes. So we're starting with the U neck. Now remember, you have to measure your shoulder, the back. So for the sake of the tutorial, the shoulder is 14. So 14 divided by 2 will give you 7. So you're going to mark 7 there. You mark 7. And then you also get your armhole measurement. Armhole, let's use 16 inches. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So you mark the armhole. So on that point of the armhole, you also get your back measurement, shoulder measurement. 7 inches, you mark it there. So you connect the points together like so, and then you draw it out. So now for the neck width, we're using 7 inches. So we're going to remove 1 from 7. That gives us 6. Then you divide 6 by 2 because your fabric is on fold. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I'll measure 3. Now the reason why we removed 1 is because by the time you're turning with your lining, it opens up by ½ inch here and ½ inch here. So that is 1 inch opening up. So it gives us 7 inches again. So you must always remove 1 inch on the width as you measure. Now for the length is 5 inches. So I'm going to be having my 5 inches down. I'm not going to be adding or subtracting from the length. Why? Because if I sew, measuring 5 inches now, if I sew ½ inch here at the shoulder point, it reduces it to 4.5. So by the time I'm turning the neckline with my lining or facing, it opens up again by half. That goes back to 5 inches. So you don't add anything to the length of your neck, you only subtract from the width of the neck. So on that point, you also get your 3 inches on the length there. And then you connect your points together. So you get the square neck. So you come to the angle 90 of the neckline where they meet, and then you mark 1 inch up at the angle 90. Then you place your armhole curve. You can just check with different curves that you have. Okay. I'm trying to see. Okay. So you're connecting like this. Like this. So this is our U neck. U neck. So the next type of neck is the square neck. Just like we did for the U neck, the basic here is that you get your square and then you cut out this shape. Let me show you. You cut out this shape for your square neck. So this is what you have for your square. So now for the V neck, this type of neck is called the V neck. I'll be extending my neckline a bit because the V neck is a bit wider than the usual necks. So if my neck width is 7 inches, I can decide to make it 8 inches. Okay, so now you remove 1 inch from the 8 to make it 7, and then you divide 7 by 2. That is 3.5, like that. And then my neck length is 5 inches as usual. So you'll be marking 5 inches at the edge of your pattern. So you take your ruler and you connect that point of the neck width to the neck length like this. Then you cut out your V neck. So this is our V neck. Now for the sweetheart neck, you'll be getting your measurement. Remember, you remove 1 inch from the width and then you divide that by 2. You mark that here, and then you get the length also. Then you connect your points. Now you're going to get the midpoint of your neck length. This is 5, this is 2.5 is the half. So you're going to be creating a curve into this length at the tip, at the center. You'll be creating a curve from the neck width back to the center of the neckline. Just watch what I'm doing, like so, like this. So now you'll be cutting this curve and this shape out. So this is your sweetheart neck. You can decide to make it deeper than this or just like this. So the depth is dependent on you. Now this is the scallop neck, the scallop neckline. The scallop neckline is wider. You make it really wide. It's especially used on kaftans and bubus. Okay, so you get the neck length and the neck width. You can add about 2 inches to your neck width. So my neck length is still 5. So I'll be creating a slant here, and then I'll be using that to gauge my curve, like this, like this, like this. So I'll be cutting that off. It's like a rise and fall neck. So this is my scallop neck. Thanks for watching.